Kia Sportage QL. Front seat replacement, repair procedures. Front seat replacement. 1. Open the cover, A, and loosen the front seat mounting bolts, B. Front. Rear. 2. Disconnect the airbag connector, A, seat warmer and power seat switch connector, B, front seat belt buckle connector, C, air ventilation seat unit connector, D. Drivers. Passengers. 3. Install in the reverse order of removal. Seat mounting bolt installation procedure. Set the seat into the most rearward position. Check that each slide is locked, and then tighten the front mounting bolt temporarily. Set the seat into the foremost position. Check that each slide is locked, and then tighten the rear mounting bolt completely. Set the seat into the rearmost position. Check that the front mounting bolt is tightened completely. Check that the seat operates to and fro smoothly and the locking portion locks properly. Front seat shield outer cover replacement. 1. Remove the front seat assembly. 2. Remove the front seat shield outer cover, A, by using a remover. Correctly remove the front seat shield outer cover to the removal procedure and direction. Be careful not to damage the mounting bracket and hook when removing the cover. 3. Disconnect the front seat power switch connector, A. 4. Install in the reverse order of removal. Front seat shield inner cover replacement. 1. Remove the front seat assembly. 2. Using a remover, remove the front seat shield inner cover, A. 3. Install in the reverse order of removal. Front seat back cover replacement. 1. Remove the front seat assembly. 2. Remove the front seat outer shield cover. 3. Remove the front seat shield inner cover. 4. Push the lock pin, B. Remove the front seat headrest, A. 5. Remove the front seat lower protector, A. 6. Remove the front seat backboard, A. Separate the upper back cover by pushing the lock pin, B, in the direction of the arrow. Remove the front seat back cover, A, by lifting in the direction. 7. Remove the air ventilation duct, A. Upper. Lower. 8. Disconnect the airbag connector, A, and heater connector, B, extension wiring connector, C. 9. Turn the front seat back cover inside out. Then pull out and remove the headrest guides, A, while pinching both sides of the lower part of the guides. 10. Pull out the protector, A, from the front seat back frame. 11. After removing the Velcro tape, A, and hog ring clips, B, from the front of seat back, remove the front seat back cover, C. 12. Remove the front seat back cover, A, from the front seat back frame. 13. Install in the reverse order of removal. Front seat cushion cover replacement. 1. Remove the front seat shield inner cover. 2. Remove the front seat outer shield cover. 3. Remove the front seat lower protector, A. 4. Disconnect the airbag connector, A, and heater connector, B, extension wiring connector, C. 5. Pull out the protectors, A, and then separated front seat cushion cover from the front seat cushion frame. 6. Remove the Velcro tape, A, and hog ring clips, B, from the front of seat cushion. 7. Remove the front seat cushion cover, A, from the front seat cushion frame. 8. Install in the reverse order of removal. Front seat frame replacement. Notice: when prying with a flat tip screwdriver, wrap it with protective tape, and apply protective tape around the related parts, to prevent damage. Use a plastic panel removal tool to remove interior trim pieces without marring the surface. Take care not to bend or scratch the trim and panels. 1. Remove the front seat back cover. 2. Remove the front seat cushion cover. 3. Remove the lumbar support assembly. 4. After loosening the mounting bolts, disconnect the front seat back frame assembly, A, and front seat cushion frame assembly, B. 5. Install in the reverse order of removal. These steps effectively disassemble the seat for repairs or replacements. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.